Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the location of the audio recordings created by the Recorder Pro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone. Tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on location in general section, and here you have three options, such as current folder, iPhone or iCloud Drive. So tap on the relevant option that you would like to choose as the location of your audio recordings, and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.